Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup scan documents with Adobe Scan to Google Drive. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Adobe Scan app on your mobile device. Scan the document you wish to backup. Once you have your document scanned, tap on the Save PDF button. Make sure your document is saved in your desired folder within Adobe Scan. After saving, locate the document within the app's main interface. Tap on the document to open it. Look for the share icon, usually represented by a box with an upward arrow. Select the share option from the menu that appears. Choose the Save to Drive or Upload to Google Drive option. If prompted, sign in to your Google account. Select the Google Drive folder where you want to save the document. Rename the document if necessary before uploading. Tap on the Upload or Save button to finalize the process. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Open the Google Drive app to verify the document has been uploaded successfully. Navigate to the folder where you saved the scanned document. You should see your scanned document available for access. Now your scanned document is safely backed up to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.